Satchidanandaya Namaha. So as long as we are Karta, Bhokta, Jnata, KBJ. KBJ means Karta, Bhokta, Jnata. As long as we are having the Karta attitude, Bhokta attitude, Jnata attitude, it will be very difficult to experience the Ananda Swarupa. So you have to transform the Karta, become Karma Yogi. Bhokta to Bhakti Yogi, Bhakta. Karta to Karma Yogi. Bhokta to Bhakta. Jnata to Jnana Yogi. When we transform that, then I realize that I am not a Karta, I am not a Bhokta, I am not a Jnata. I am Sakshi. Then the pains, the sorrows, the dejections will not touch us. I as I, none of us suffered. None of us. I as I. I as I, no pain. I as I, no sorrow. I as I, no dejections. But we forget the I as I. Forgetfulness of the self is ego. I become so and so. When I become so and so, what happens? When I'm as a physical entity, the pains of the body, I'll be a shareholder of the pains. As the emotional entity, shareholder of the sorrows. As the intellectual entity, shareholder of the dejections, disappointments. As so and so, all our sorrows or joys also. So at the physical, we can say, as a parent. As a parent, do you have pains and sorrows? As a parent? Okay, silent pain. As a parent, sorrows. As a spouse, spicy sorrows. As a professional sorrows. Isn't it? Only as so and so. But when do you become so and so? When do you become parent? Oh, after you got a child, Swamiji. No. Only when your child is in front of you, you are a parent. When your child is not in front of you, who are you? Oh, I am a parent, Swamiji. Your child is not in front of you. Isn't it? But we mistake. I don't know what he is doing. In my class, sitting, I don't know what he is doing. He must not have got up even now. I'm barking here. But my attention. You are identified as a parent. Only as a parent you can identify as, you can think of your child. As a spouse, So always, if you want to be a happy spouse, you should always think the few days before marriage and few days after marriage. That's all you should think. Then, isn't it, you will not be happy? So, how happy I was 1 week before. How happy I was 1 week after. Stay there only. So you, as a spouse only, sorrows or joys. As a professional, you're a boss or a das. So when do you become that so and so? When the relative relationship is in front of you. If your child is in front of you, you must become the parent. There's nothing wrong because your child is in front of you. If your spouse is in front of you, you must be the husband or wife. If you're the husband, just do it. Be a Nike. No? And if you're subordinate or a colleague comes, then you're a professional. So relative relationship is called so and so. If the relative relationship is not in front of you, Who are you? If a child is there, naturally you're a parent. If your spouse is there, naturally you're a spouse. Your colleague is in front, you're naturally a professional. But when they are not in front of you, who are you? When the relative relationship is not there, you are the next name that comes, Atma Swarupa. But we misunderstand as the BMI. And in the BMI also there are joys. I don't know whether you have a touch lamp. When you touch, light comes. And touch again, brighter light comes. And touch again, brightest light. Or touch lamp. So to our Ananda also is of that level. Priya, Moda, Pramoda. 3 levels of joys. Priya means when you're thinking of the person you love the most. When you're thinking of that person itself, joy. That's called Priya. And that person you get to meet, see the person, become greater joy, Moda. And then you literally meet each other, Pramoda. Isn't it? Priya, just thinking. And when you see the person, Moda. And when you start transacting, Pramoda. Anyway, you may not have that much experience in that, a person and all. But Gulab Jamun. Those are very easy to, when you're thinking of Gulab Jamun, Priya. Nowadays, my condition is only Priya. I'm only thinking of it and enjoy, that's all. And sometimes I get Moda. Moda means I get to see it. And more joy, greater joy has come. And there are some useless members. Before I could experience Pramoda, it disappears. So Priya, Moda, Pramoda, all are that Ananda Swarupa. The self is Ananda Swarupa. But that bliss alone expresses as happy, happier, happiest. That is not happy or happier or happiest. Now when the touch lamp, when you touch it and one light, bright light comes, that is not, electricity is not bright. And you touch again, brighter light comes. Not the electricity is brighter. And again you touch, brightest light comes. You can't say electricity is brightest. It's the condition of the bulb. So too that is Ananda. That Ananda only expresses as Priya, Moda, Pramoda. As so and so. As so and so, I'm happy, I'm happier, I'm happiest. That is movements. But to be at bliss at all times means the fullness is indicated. When I am full, Purna, then I want nothing. Whatever comes is a joy. I welcome everything. I welcome everything to go or come. That is my nature. Ananda. Om Anandaya Namaha.